Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel calendar, and this is for the year 2021. And this is an easy to use Excel spreadsheet that can help you track your events and activities for the year of 2021. Currently, I'm in the monthly calendar view. I've already entered some sample data there. You can take a look at February and March, and this is how the calendar will come. It will be blank, just like this particular month of March. So let's go back to January. It's really easy to enter information. Just go into the cell, you can type a time and a description of the event. You can also change up the shading of the cells and the colors of the calendar itself, including the font sizes and styles. So that's the monthly view there, but there's also full year calendar views to see all the months on one sheet. So let's go ahead here to this particular one for holidays. This has all 12 months on this single sheet, and the holidays here are under it below. There's also a full year view for birthdays, and you can see the birthdays here below that you can enter. And there's one more full year view where you can enter notes on the side of the calendar. It's really easy to print out the calendar. If you need a hard copy, you just go to File, Print. In this case, you can see the whole month on a single printout. And let's take a look at one of the full year calendar views. Just go to File, Print, and you can see all of the holidays on a single printout. And you can also do that for the birthdays. You can see all of the birthdays here on a single page. So that's a basic overview of George's Excel calendar for year 2021.